Have you been blocked from logging into multiple social media accounts from the same IP? Are you struggling to accurately locate overseas users? A residential proxy IP is the key. Today, we'll use Lunaproxy to demonstrate how to operate global social media accounts securely and efficiently. Why choose a residential IP? It is issued by a real ISP and is recognized by the platform as an ordinary user. It is much more anonymous than a data center IP. The dynamic rotation mechanism avoids behavioral trace association and reduces the chance of account blocking. After registering an account, enter the personal center in the upper right corner. After entering the personal center, the left side is residential proxy, unlimited residential proxy, ISP proxy, data center proxy, rotating ISP proxy. When operating on social media, we try to choose ISP residential proxy IP, because in this way our IP will not change frequently, so as to avoid account blocking. Select a static ISP proxy and click Extract on the right. Then click Confirm. The static proxy IP address, port, username, and password are now displayed. Simply configure it in the fingerprint browser you'll be using.